Only attack on me. But Jaden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going. Yeah, man, now move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza Station. Welcome to the channel, Jaden Chase. And yes, we are bringing on another new and yes, exciting reason on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the blog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, truth be told, no, Popcaan did not initially post the album. And we are saying shall he do it. And then his statement to the fan who asked him why he never do it. His statement was, you see Vybz Kartel post my album. No! Papi, you can't do it. You can't do that, Popcaan. No, at no point in time. You have to always show that respect. Don't make, because you and an individual have a kind of verbal altercation, you gotta go out of your way for settings. For try to prove what point. Which point you try to prove? So a Vybz Kartel not support you? You can't say that. Vybz Kartel help you get a career. If anybody did believe in your career, I did Vybz Kartel, I never your mother, I never your sister, I never the producer them, I never the friend them round, you know. A Vybz Kartel say, yeah man, music, you have the talent, do it. You yourself said that. Now after that, viewers and subscribers, Vybz Kartel did acknowledge Popcaan after Popcaan post the RIAA Gold certification for the single Fever, to which Vybz Kartel said, yo, and you know that phrase there, I did, and a Popcaan phrase, don't get it right, and a Popcaan say, yo, you man, the man can have a whole vibe over it, but it was definitely a slang or slogan used by Popcaan, you know there's something goes, so when we see teacher say that, you see the teacher say, alright papi, we'll see what go on. No, somebody say, yo, the teacher accept Popcaan apology. Not really and truly, it's not necessarily a thing of accepting an apology and making an apology. Popcaan knows something wrong with his statement. The teacher knows this. We know this. The whole world knows this. Popcaan acknowledged himself. And while saying sorry, because people can say sorry and not mean it. People always say actions speak louder than your words. So rather than just saying sorry, Papi make the post. You know what I mean? And make the initiative to say, alright, we're going to support the teacher. Of course. Because regardless of the situation, you can't say, oh, the teacher no, post your thing on the IGP. You can't look on life them with it. Remember the teacher current situation? I want the only artist who you can't expect to do something. When him do it, you have to just say, alright, God bless you and the G do it. You can't go out of your way. Have no specific expectations. If you're featured on the track, you know, say, of course, the track will be promoted. You know that. Because admins and we don't want to get them reason there. But it will be promoted. When Popcaan put out Vanquish and he must see your teacher never post it. What kind of meditation that? That means say you carry feelings. You can't do that. And at the end of the day, I will somebody where give you the first helping hand in the music industry. You don't do that. So I see why fans were irate. And one thing with Popcaan is if they say something where strike a nerve with him, yeah, him will respond in an irate way. So that statement did really strike a nerve with him, because when he realized, yo, Jano, I'm not share the album for you. And somebody I start talking about somebody else's album. It look away. Even in retrospect, even if at first him didn't realize what he do. They up on the hillside and a whole big vibes and a post. And they didn't realize. But when it dawned upon him, he must say, wait. You know, so true, this is not right. This couldn't be right. And him take the steps to say right the wrongs. From the teacher, good with him, we good with Popcaan. My personal opinion, when me I personally say is that, yeah, at times Popcaan has shown that him not 100% loyal to the teacher. But then me, another aficionado, for say, yo, you know what Popcaan should have done and what he shouldn't have done. We can just still looking at our own point of view. There have been times when we say, yo, Papi could have done more. There have been times when we say, yo, Papi not doing enough. So that is our personal opinion. But it's also left up to the fans to decide that too as well. And guess who matter most when who decide that? Teacher. So the teacher say, yo, you see me? Poppy good. Then of course Popcaan good. That doesn't mean you don't have your own personal opinion. Little Vybz and little Addy iconically say, yo, I don't know what I go and say, but I don't trust Popcaan. Them never say because I'm a father, because of this. Them say no, them own personal opinion, them are the youth. Them say we don't trust Poppy. And from then until now, they have been fans who say, yo, really and truly, you know, we don't really 100% feel like say, yo, Popcaan has show the right amount of gratitude. And that's the discussion. Is Popcaan showing enough gratitude? As I say, I can't tell him what him to do to get the fans to say, alright, him being grateful enough. No, really can't tell him. All I can say is something simple as the teacher of an album I found out. You hear the teacher say, yo, Grammy for dancehall. You know the importance of having dancehall recognized internationally. You see, album drop and Drake was not featured on it. Certain stars will not attach their name to singles or to projects where them feel like nah go medal. Them just not do it. You know the importance of having dancehall acknowledged with the other genres of music. You should have, you know what I mean, champion the cause. And make sure say all the international people will know you. She say yeah, you support the movement. Because at this point in time the album is a movement. Because we need a dancehall artist to receive a Grammy. So we see all the young reggae artists that found out. First album, first project, first record contract, first everything. And then get our first Grammy. That's how much people are focused on reggae music. Nobody not acknowledge dancehall. Yes, Spicy as much as we see our tour over the whole world, our record label say we don't feel like an album needed from you. We don't feel like you just go on record singles, put them out on tour. We don't really need an album from it. So Popcaan put out album, you see the reaction. Them plays good on streaming platforms. But where's the goals? Where's the gold plaque? Where's the billboard accreditation? Still work to be done as much as Popcaan is a big name and a household name in many parts of the world. There's still work to be done. Even somebody who said dancehall need unity to move forward. So I'm still saying if you take the initiative to say alright, we'll do what is right. And not follow people. Nobody follow people I say, oh, teacher never post your album, why you gonna post film? And the thoughts of people that's not the thoughts of you. I don't feel like the thoughts of you that. That's what you say when you lash out or try to seek justification for the actions taken by you yourself. If you feel like saying no, that could be some form of cancellation. No, when people hear yourself, they say, but wait, you have bad mind. That's what people say. There wasn't a form of justification. They must say, oh, I would have that's why Popcaan do it in a car, teacher never share female album for true. No, all people look point and say is that that's your excuse. You really say that? That your excuse and you really make that public knowledge? I bet you they keep that to yourself. That's what most people are saying. But as I say at the end of the day, Vybz Kartel seems to have, you know, big up the initiative. You are somebody who will roll with the teacher in a real life. You must always remember that. There's a certain standard who holds certain artists too. As supporters of Vybz Kartel. And the artists them did their own the teacher. Holding to a certain standard, enough to know that. So when they make certain moves and make certain statements, of course it not gonna go over well with dancehall. It not gonna go over well with dancehall music. So now just keep that in mind. You know what I mean? Always keep that in mind. So at the end of the day, the fans know the history of the artists. So we're not gonna make certain statements and feel like the people now go weigh those statements in with statements we make before. You say Gaza forever, you say that out of your mouth. And now you're gonna say yes, teacher post my album. You're not support the movement then. That means your uncle said teacher, if teacher say you. But always remember this, when nobody never does say Popcaan and the teacher say Popcaan. Always remember that, and that cosign was priceless. But I said the one called Jaden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and yes, I'm reminding you now. If you're new to the channel, new to the movement, let us pass through, but they like the reason, of course, they like the point of view. Well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and put it on all, and this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content. That's not fresh content is uploaded and made available for you. Right up on the platform, the like icon, then they drop a like on the blog for me, like we the share. The share icon is in close proximity as well. You don't have to go nowhere, you don't have to skip a page, you don't have to turn a page, you don't have to drive, go around the road. Either right this, so share the vlog with a friend. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell them sister and them brother them to check out the channel, join the discussion. Comment section always open 24/7, never lock it. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. Other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and your opinions there. You know, move settings fam. And we don't need no ladder. And my sentiments are you and yours that wanna live, love, and prosper until the reason again.